Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's lecture, we're going to talk about the conditional statement challenge for this section of the course. What you're going to be doing is making a simple script, and because we've only covered basic input types and whatnot, normally a script might not work like this, but we're just going to use the input and everything in this example just because this is what we've learned so far. So I want you guys to make a script with conditional statements that reflects how many lives a user has left in a video game. So imagine as if the user is playing a video game and the game is asking them how many lives they have. So first of all, what I want you guys to do is prompt the user to ask them how many lives they currently have, save the input in a variable that is an integer that we can do math with later. So if you guys remember, we did this earlier, and if you do get stuck, try to watch the previous videos to kind of maybe get some tips and tricks and see how we can actually build this program. And then at the end of the day, if you do get stuck, don't worry, we'll build it in the next lesson and you guys can follow along with me. And keep in mind that your program doesn't have to be 100% the way mine is. As long as this kind of basically does the same thing, that's good enough. Third, if the user puts a number greater than or equal to 3, then print that the player has too many lives. They need not to worry. You don't have to print exactly this, just print something along the lines. The basic thing is I want you guys to make the script do what it says here. And if a user inputs 2, then print that the user should proceed with caution. If a user inputs 1, then print you are almost dead. If the user inputs 0, then print game is over. So you can see here we're basically just making a script that basically is asking the user how many lives they have left, and depending on how many they type in, they'll get different results. So that's what I want you guys to create here. So take your time, try to figure it out for yourself, and then if you guys need help, join me in the next lecture, and I'll walk you guys through how I would build this program.